Hello students, today we are going to learn about table creation in Word, class 5 chapter 1. So let's get started. In this unit we will learn about inserting tables, under which we will learn 6 different points: selecting number of rows and columns, inserting new row and column, merging the cells, filling the color in cells, alignment in the table, vertical and horizontal, table borders. Next we will learn draw tables. So introduction. Students, in this unit we will learn about the tables in MS Word. First we are going to see what is MS Word actually is. MS Word full form is Microsoft Word. In short we call it as MS Word, often called Word. It is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. The purpose of the MS Word is to allow the user to type and save documents. Similar to other word processors, it has helpful tools to make documents. Currently, there are many versions of MS Word available in the market, like Office 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, etc. Here we are considering MS Word 2007 version. You can see the image of MS Word 2007, how it looks. Now let's learn how to insert the table. In Microsoft Office Word 2007, you can insert a table by choosing from a selection of pre-formatted tables, complete with sample data, or by selecting the number of rows and columns that you want. You can insert a table into a document, or you can insert one table into another table to create a more complex table. There are 3 ways by which you can insert a table in the document. These are: number 1, selecting number of rows and columns. Use table template. You can use table templates to insert a table that is based on a gallery of pre-formatted tables. Table templates contain sample data to help you visualize what the table will look like when you add your data. How you will do it? Step 1, click where you want to insert a table. Step 2, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table, point to Quick Tables, and then click the template that you want. Here you can see the picture form of what we have studied right now. So you can see the Insert tab, on which there is a table option. When you click on table option, it shows Insert Table, and bottom, if you go to the bottom, it shows Quick Tables option. When you click on Quick Tables option, it shows you different built-in formats for creating the table. Second way is use the table menu. Step 1, click where you want to insert a table. Step 2, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table, and then under the Insert tab, drag to select the number of rows and columns that you want. You can see in the picture below, we have created a 5 into 5 table, 5 rows, 5 columns, by just dragging it. Number 3, use the Insert Table command. You can use the Insert Table command to choose the table dimensions and format before you insert the table into a document. How we can do it? Let's see. Step 1, click where you want to insert a table. Step 2, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table, and then click Insert Table. Step 3. Under table size, enter the number of columns and rows. Step 4. Under auto-fit behavior, choose options to adjust the table size. Here in the picture you can see how you will do it. Next is inserting new row and columns. After inserting a table, if you want to add or insert new row or new column, then you can follow the following procedure. Add a row above or below. How we will do it? Step 1. Click in a cell above or below where you want to add a row. Under Table tool, on the Layout tab, do one of the following. What you have to do is either you can choose from this first option or second option. To add a row above the cell, click Insert Above in the Rows and Columns group. Or to add a row below the cell, click Insert Below in the Rows and Column group. Another, add a column to the left or right. First we have studied add a row, now we will study add a column. Step 1. Click in a cell to the left or right of where you want to add a column. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, do one of the following. Here you can see the picture first. How you will do it. Layout is there. Layout tab. Step 1. To add a column to the left of the cell, click Insert Left in the Rows and Columns group. Step 2. To add a column to the right of the cell, click Insert Right in the Rows and Columns group. In this way, you will be able to add the columns to left or to right. Next is merging the cells. Now, how to merge the cells? Let's study that. Merge means combine or join the cells. You can combine two or more table cells located in the same row or column into a single cell. For example, you can merge several cells horizontally to create a table heading that spans several columns. Select the cells that you want to merge by clicking the left edge of a cell and then dragging across the other cells that you want. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, in the Merge group, click Merge Cells. Here is a picture representation of the steps that we have just read. You can see in the Layout tab there is option Merge Cell. Next is filling the color in cells. You can fill any color in a specific cell or group of cell to make it distinct from the other cell in the table by following the procedure below. First step, select the cells that you want to fill with color by clicking the left edge of a cell and then dragging across the other cell that you want. Under Table tool, on the Design tab, click Shading, then select any color of your choice. Here you can see again the picture. It shows shading option that is there under Design tab. Next is alignment in the table, vertical and horizontal. Aligning text in columns and rows in Word is a matter of choosing how you want the text to line up vertically and how you want it to line up horizontally. Follow these steps to align text in a table. Select the cells, columns or rows with text that you want to align, or select your entire table. Go to the Table tool, Layout tool. Under the Layout tab, then you have to choose Table tool. Click an Align button. You may have to click the Align button first depending on the size of your screen. Okay. Here is the picture. You can see Next is table border. Now, how to use border around your table, that we will learn now. When you add a border to a picture, text or page, you can make those elements in your document stand out. Yeah. You can do the same with the tables in your documents. You can add a border to a table by using the border styles. You can design your own custom border, or you can apply a pre-designed table style. How we can do that? Let's study that. Add table borders. First, under Table Tools, click the Design tab. Second, in the Table Styles group, click Borders, and then do one of the following. Click one of the predefined border sets. Click Borders and Shading. Click the Borders tab and then choose the options that you want. Here is the picture showing the same, how you have to select the borders. You can see so many options are there under border. Now, how to remove table border from the whole table? If you want to remove, how you can do that? Under Table Tools, click the Design tab. In the Table Styles group, click Borders and then click No Border. If you click on No Border, the border will automatically get removed. Next is Draw Table. You can draw a complex table, for example, one that contains cells of different heights or a varying numbers of columns per row. Click where you want to draw the table. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table. Then click Draw Table. The pointer changes to a pencil. To define the outer boundaries of the table, draw a rectangle. Draw column and row lines inside the rectangle. To erase a line or block of lines under Table Tools on the Design tab, in the Draw Border groups, click Eraser. Click the line that you want to erase when you are finished. Click Draw Table to continue drawing the table. When you finish drawing the table, click in a cell and start typing or insert a graphic, whatever you want. Here you can see the picture also, how you have to do it. It shows the way. So now we have come to the end of the chapter. Assignments that is there for you. Please go through the same and you can practice them on your computer or laptop, whatever you have. Thank you, students.